Have you ever pondered over how one country could be the cradle of such a rich array of cultures, languages, and religions? Welcome to India, a country that has been shaping the world's history and culture for thousands of years. India's story begins in one of the world's earliest civilizations, the Indus Valley Civilization, around 5,000 years ago. This was a sophisticated and technologically advanced society with a well-developed system of urban planning. They built cities of brick, established a system of writing, and developed a complex societal structure. Fast forward to the 3rd century BC, India was unified under the Maurya Empire. Ashoka, one of its most renowned emperors, left a profound impact on the country with his turn towards Buddhism and his emphasis on peace and tolerance. His teachings continue to influence the ethos of the nation today. In the Middle Ages, India saw the rise of powerful kingdoms and empires, each contributing a unique chapter to the country's history. The Gupta Empire, often referred to as the Golden Age of India, was a period of great advancements in science, technology, engineering, art, dialectic, literature, logic, mathematics, astronomy, religion, and philosophy. Meanwhile, the Chola Empire in the south was leaving its mark as a maritime power, with influence extending across Southeast Asia. Their grand temples still stand as a testament to their architectural prowess. By the 16th century, the Mughal Empire had taken center stage, leaving an indelible mark on India's landscape with architectural marvels like the Taj Mahal. They enriched India with their unique blend of Persian and Indian cultures, which is still evident in the country's cuisine, clothing, music, and arts. The 17th century brought European traders to India's shores, eventually leading to British colonial rule. This was a period of significant change, with the introduction of Western education, the railway system, and the English language. However, it was also a time of struggle and resistance. India's fight for independence in the 20th century is a narrative of courage, unity, and resilience. The peaceful resistance led by Mahatma Gandhi is a story that continues to inspire movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. In 1947, India gained independence, stepping into a new era as a democratic republic. Since then, it has made significant strides in various fields. Today, India stands as the world's largest democracy and one of the fastest-growing economies. India is a country that has continually evolved and grown through the centuries. From the ancient Indus Valley Civilization to the modern democratic republic it is today, it has weathered the rise and fall of empires, navigated through colonial rule, and emerged as a vibrant, diverse nation with a rich cultural heritage. This journey through India's history gives us a glimpse into the country's resilience, diversity, and the enduring spirit of its people. It is a country that has contributed significantly to the world, from ancient times with its advancements in science, mathematics, and philosophy, to modern times with its democratic ideals and economic growth. So the next time you think of India, think beyond the spicy food and colorful festivals. Think of a land that has been shaping the world's history, culture, and values for thousands of years. A land of resilience, diversity, and an enduring spirit that continues to shape its future. As we delve deeper into the cultural fabric of India, it's impossible to overlook the vibrant festivals and popular sports that hold a special place in the hearts of Indians. Each year, the country is illuminated with the sparkling lights of Diwali, drenched in the vibrant hues of Holi, echoes with the prayers of Eid and Christmas, and sways to the rhythms of Pongal and Navaratri. These celebrations are more than just dates on a calendar. They are a testament to India's diverse cultural identity and unity in diversity. Turning to sports, cricket might seem like a religion in India, but let's not forget hockey, the national sport, which has brought numerous laurels to the country on international platforms. Traditional games like kabaddi and international sports like badminton also have a significant following, with Indian athletes making their mark globally. These festivals and sports are not just pastimes but an integral part of India's cultural identity, further adding to its rich tapestry. They reflect the spirit and resilience of the people, their joy and their struggles, their victories and their defeats, encapsulating the essence of India.